I don't think if I will be able to do it if I don't come to the classes or take the course with the right look. That's the most important part. My name is Noe. I'm from Osnar. I came to take the class for rapping, and now I'm here. And now I'm not just a rapper, it's an installer. Before right look, I kind of, everybody know how to wash their car and clean their car, but I don't know anything about using a polisher. I didn't know anything about ceramic coating. And when I find out this class, I was just searching and I found this class, this school, and it's pretty good. I like it. That's where I came back for the window tints and now for wrapping. So that's the way I control this school. It's pretty good. I try on my own car, but it's way different what I was thinking, and that's why I took the class, because it's a lot of little details that you need to take care, and just to put it on the flat panel is easy, but the rest, like corners and like between these lines and everything, is hard. So I just prefer to take a class before I start working on somebody else's cars. It was very easy to learn, because Ruben is really good when he tried to explain everything, every single detail. And then we practice on the car. They let us to do it, so that's easy. I learn a lot. Now I'm more confident to do anything, like starting from detailing and then window tints and now wrapping. I try to start my own business, and I started having a lot of customers, but I don't think if I will be able to do it if I don't come to the classes or take the course with the right look. That's the most important part. Before to start to take the detail class, I didn't know anything about polisher. In the beginning, I told you I didn't know anything. And then when I'm touching the car, you're nervous a little bit, but then you start getting confidence between day by day. And then now at the end, I get a little more, I'm not too scared, but you have to be careful all the time anyways. Yeah, we don't really use the heat gun too much, only for like mirrors or handles, or just for the final touch. Basically, it's like the way Ruben say, it's a cold wrapping. Don't just take the class. The class helped you a lot. Like for me, it helped me a lot. Like my business started getting better and busy, and I know there's a lot of people out there to try to do what we do. But when you learn them from here, I just feel more confident. Even from headlight restorations, detail, everything about. Like, I'm not scared anymore. I have a certification, and I just, whatever they need, I just do it. And if you had any questions, you can call, email Ruben, and he give you some answers. So something you don't know, you're thinking you can do it or you cannot do it. So they're always there for you. And then when you're calling about the products, they're always there too. So the school is pretty good. From 1 to 5 star, 5 star, right look, all the time. And I'm thinking about to come and get a couple more classes, like the windshield repairs and clear bra. Ruben is a really good instructor, and you having fun. It's everything I'm looking for at school. Yeah, it's easy to learn.